Yo guys, welcome to this YouTube dance tutorial, guys. My name is Teoluckzboom. I do dance tutorial and dance challenges for you guys. In case you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe down below for me, guys. Like this video. So we're doing a trendy dance tutorial called Stranger Things dance tutorial. Like, who would have expected that this song will have a dance tutorial? Literally a dance tutorial. Like, guys, like what if, like, I know my, but it's an amazing dance, guys. An amazing dance. You will love to dance. So in case you're new here, kindly subscribe down below for me. Like this video. Comment your favorite character in Stranger Things. Yeah, let's do that in the comment section. Comment your favorite character in Stranger Things. Let's just see if your favorite character is the same thing as mine. Because me, my favorite character is Justin. Justin. Okay. Now, the first step in that tutorial is you do as if you are raising the person like going Vietnam, raising the children. This is a two-person dance tutorial, so just bear with me, guys. It's only me. I'm a solo dancer, guys. So bear with me, guys. So the super dance. Let's do it. First step is raise the person from the joint and person be coming up like this. It's something like then after that step, next step is do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I follow me, guys. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Once you raise the person from the ground, goes up. Next we do is 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm doing it 4 times, like literally 4 times on both sides. Like it's you are facing each other. We are facing each other. So it's one face, the guy is facing you, the other person is facing you. So you're doing 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen, guys. Let me start. 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, once you are done with that step, the next step to do is do the popular Vietnam dance. You guys, if you don't know about movies, you know that because once anybody's like this in the movie, once everybody listens to the movie, it's going to Vietnam ways, Vietnam airy ways. So just like this. Then you do what Vietnam is doing to them. You do their face like this. Something like that. So you do. I sing, guys. Let me start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Once you're along that step, next step is, what's the next step? Vietnam. You push while walking forward. Push while walking forward. Make sure your legs are facing up. So you push while walking forward, then you go back with your hands for the front like this. I think, guys, when we start, up to this extent. 5, 6, 7, 8. Once I've done that step, the next step to do is the eating step, guys. You shoe. So once I've done forward, backward, then you eat. 2, 3, 4. The happens when I again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a popular step now. I have to show you guys this one also. It's a popular dance, trending, guys. Popular dance. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy dance, guys. Easy dance, guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go 5, 6, 7, 8. I think, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. Eat 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, next time we do this, we do side, side. In front of me, side, sorry, side, 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 side. For those of you that are not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe down below for me, guys. Subscribe down below, like this video. I still want to hear your favorite character in Stranger Things. Comment your favorite character in Stranger Things. Let me know, guys. Your favorite character and your second best favorite. Let me know, guys. Let's go. Let's go. That's it. One more time. 5, 6, 7. Let's start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, cross. So once you do your side, you cross. Side, you cross. After you cross, like once you cross, you wait for the sound to hit the beat. Once it hits the beat, you fly like get now. You fly when you're walking forward. So it's and you do the popular dance. I sing, guys. Let's go. Let me start. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, cross. I think, guys, once you after you cross your hand and it flies forward, let's do this too. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I follow me, guys. Let me just catch my breath. Whew. 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 Okay. Now, let's do this though. You breathe. There you go, guys. Now, something like this. So, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Side, cross. You wait for the float. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. I think, guys. So that this 1, 2, 1, 2 is the remaining dance. Like it's the last dance in the street Stranger Things dance, guys. So literally the last dance. So let's do one more time, guys. One more time. Don't forget to subscribe down below for me. Subscribe for me, guys. One more time. One more time. Share to your friends and family who wants to dance Stranger Things like us, guys. Let's see. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, let's go. Side, cross. Wait for it to flow. Look at the Vietnam again. So guys, that's the dance tutorial for Stranger Things, basically. Stranger Things theme song. I know most of you must have watched Stranger Things. Like, there's nobody that has not watched Stranger Things. It's trending. I just finished the movie not quite long ago, so it's trending. Let's do that tutorial one more time, guys. So I'm going to do this in fast pace and slow pace for you guys. Basically in fast and slow pace. So let's do it in slow pace. Let's do slow pace first for the fast pace. Slow pace first. So let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow mo, guys, in slow mo. Fly. It's now. Side, cross. Wait for it. That is slow pace for this dance track, guys. Slow pace. Now let's make it fast. Let's make it fast, guys. 5 together, everybody. Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Go. Side, fly. Look at back now. Float. The Demo Gargans are coming. So that's for this song. trending now, TikTok, yada yada, YouTube, whatever. I mean, the world, the full world. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys. For my kids, do this tutorial through my video. Push hashtag to lost in your video so I can watch it, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to watch this video over here. See you guys in my next video. Peace.